Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can enable Windows Copilot in Windows 11. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Now first of all, check if there's any type of Windows update available for your PC. To check it, go over to your Windows settings, then Windows Update and click on check for updates. There should be an update available. Simply download it and install the update. After installing the update, restart your PC, and after restarting, open up a preferred browser and search for Vive tool GitHub. After downloading, extract the zip file and copy the Vive tool folder path. Now run command prompt as an administrator and type in cd, then copy folder's path. Then type in the code in the command prompt and press enter. Restart your PC, and after restarting, right-click on your taskbar, select taskbar settings and turn on Copilot feature. That's how you can enable Windows Copilot in Windows 11. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.